Have you ever asked yourself the question, who am I really negotiating with? Before we dive into the topic, please allow me to introduce myself. I am Giovanni Aquilanti, Business Development Director and Senior Trainer at CABL, a company specialized in negotiation and influencing. If you watched our previous videos, you'll be clear on how critical are the internal implications of your external negotiations. In this third video of a series of 4, we will keep learning about the RESONANT model, a pragmatic approach to internal negotiations. Let's look at two new components of the model. N stands for nurture relationships. The ability to maintain meaningful internal connection over time is critical to success and requires an ongoing, thoughtful effort. One aspect that is often overlooked is the use of terminology, or speaking the same language. In this case, a very simple recommendation. Make the effort and sit once a week physically close to your stakeholders, so that you can gather insights, better understand their needs, and start using their own terminology. This could be really powerful, especially if you are at the start of a new assignment and your internal stakeholder is known to be a tough cookie. A stands for assist the other party in their internal negotiations. As you will need to go back, report, potentially negotiate with your boss within your function, the same might happen on your stakeholder side. Support them in preparing their own case and eventually help with the execution. This is true internally, but also externally. In the situation of a negotiation preparation, think about preparing their victory speech. How would they sell this agreement as a victory to their internal management? We've seen 6 elements of the model. Recognize the challenges of internal negotiations, envision how to deal with conflicting priorities, supervise and manage stakeholders, organize and plan your internal negotiations, nurture relationships, assist the other party in their internal negotiations. Familiarize with this concept, look at them based on your previous experience, and if not done yet, start practicing as of tomorrow. Thank you very much. For more insights, please visit www.cabl.ch.